Good morning, Facebook. Happy Monday to you. Hopefully you had a wonderful weekend. Hopefully it wasn't too fast for you. Mine seemed a little bit too fast. I just had so much going on this weekend that it didn't seem like it was much time off. But that's all right. That's how weekends go sometimes. Sometimes we got to do the household chores. Sometimes we go and enjoy our time, and it ends up taking us a lot longer than we expect. All plugged up. Are you all plugged up? And we'll go into that here shortly. First of all, if you're watching live, type in live. If you're watching this on replay, type in replay. Good news, YouTubers. I put all my videos on YouTube, so we are current. I will try to keep up on it, and we will get them all there. If you don't know how to get to our YouTube page, go to our website, aspenmtnplumbing.com. In the top right-hand corner, you'll see a YouTube logo. Click on that YouTube logo. It'll take you right to our channel. And then subscribe. And every time we have a video, hey, good morning, Travis. Thanks for joining us. Every time we have a video, you'll get an alert that video's popped up, and you can watch it at your own time, own free will. So you don't have to be on at 7 o'clock in the morning to watch these videos. All plugged up. What do I mean by that? We're going to go into that a little bit. First of all, I want to give the basics behind this. I had a question from my little 6-year-old son this weekend. He plugged up the sink, and the water was going through the overflow on the sink. Thank goodness I had an overflow. And he said, "Daddy, how does that work? How does it work when I pull this out? How does that work?" So I literally had to take it apart. That's how I do it. I had to take apart the sink and